Hello all, we are going to develop practical program number 19, demonstrate how to iterate over rows in pandas data frame. I am writing the first line, sir, import pandas as PD. So I have to create a data frame, then I have to go for iterating the rows. Okay, so simply I am creating, sir, data is equals to some dictionary I am creating, sir. Name is my first variable in the dictionary, which will be having the names like Salman, Hari Prasad, then Rayhan, then Lakshmi, then Anusha. ANUSHA. So I have taken the 5 different students. Then I am creating another variable called to be stream here. The stream again will be a list star. Here I will say mathematics or maths is a stream, comma arts is a stream, then statistics is a stream, then humanities is a stream, then I say life science as a stream. Again I will be declaring another parameter, sir, another value called percentage. So here I will take another list, sir. The values are 85, 78, 90, 73, 69. This is my data. Now I would like to create data frame, sir, DF using this data, sir. Okay, I am going to create data frame using this data. DF is equals to data, D capital, sir, data frame, M to be also capital. So it is PD dot data frame. Done. Here what we will write is data. Using the data, I would like to create columns, columns. My columns to be of same. One is called name, comma, another is called to be stream, comma, another is called to be percentage. So this is my data frame with the 3 columns. So let us check whether it works. Print DF. Yes, sir, it is got printed. Now I have to iterate over the rows. Instead of printing entire data frame, I would like to print a part or using some columns. So I'll say here print of iterating over rows. Right, something to be displayed here. Now for loop, sir, for row is a variable, row in range for row in range, no, in terms of df, na, df dot iter tuples. In terms of data frame tuples, it has to go, sir, index comma, sir, index should be there, true, comma, name is equals to, I can say pandas, right? Now for loop, print of get attr attribute of row to be, first row to be name, sir, sorry, n is capital N now. Then comma get attr, get attribute of row, which is I say percentage, sorry, here also p is capital there in my data, right? So let us check. That's all. So iteration. Yes, sir. So I got printed off first row name and percentage, second row name and percentage, third row name and percentage, fourth row name and percentage, fifth row name and percentage. Okay, this is all about how to iterate through your data frame. That's all in this program. Thank you.